Hey Sophie, it's Madam Sophie here again to do another video. This time I'm going to be doing a review on the Mary Kay CC cream. This CC cream has SPF 15 in it and you get approximately 1 ounce in it. I bought 2 of these. I bought it in the color deep and medium. These 2 colors is what really gave me my shade, and again these 2 colors cost me less than $35. Anywho, before I get right into it, I just want to thank you so much for tuning in this time around. Thank you so much for stopping by on my channel. To my regular viewers and my subscribers, thank you so much for keeping tuned. I know I haven't been posting like I normally do, but let me tell you, I have been busy with schoolwork, I have been busy with work, I have been busy with taking care of stuff, and I'm just so happy that this time around I can stop by and do a review for you guys. I made sure that this weekend I did my homework way ahead in advance. I took some time out to come on here and do a review with you guys. For those of you who were bearing with me in terms of staying tuned on my channel, and for those of you who reached out to me, Lady Borgia, thank you so much for reaching out to me on Instagram to check up on me. But those of you who were asking when am I gonna post and what have I been doing, I have been so busy working on my Masters of Business Administration, and as some of you know, I started my Masters of Business Administration degree in January of 2019, and I should be done with it pretty soon. I'm pretty much halfway done with my degree, and I'm really looking forward to graduating in fall of next year. So again, thank you so much for tuning in. For those of you who are new, thank you so much for tuning in. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe on your way out. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and that bell that is right next to that subscribe button to be part of the Sophia Squad. And you gotta be part of the Sophia Squad because you are a sophisticated lady. Alright, so don't forget to do that. Let's jump right into the tutorial. Okay, now I'm going to prime my face. And this is what I'm going to prime my face with. This is by Imani Cosmetics. This is actually a vegan face primer. It is vegan based. It is a very good formula and it's all natural. It's infused with a whole bunch of natural products that are really good for your skin. Natural organic products, I might add. Okay, so now I have this CC cream in 2 colors. I have it in the color deep, and I also have it in the color medium. Now, when I did try these out for the very first time, I kind of sort of mixed the 2 colors together. So I'm just going to do a quick swatch of it for you. So this is what medium looks like, and this is what deep looks like. Alright, so this is what these 2 colors look like. I have medium, this is medium, sorry, this is medium over here, and deep over here. As you guys can see, medium is too light for me and deep is a little too dark for me, so I need to mix these 2 together. And again, if you don't really like the coverage this CC cream gives you, you're more than welcome to use a concealer, which I am going to do, but you're more than welcome to use a concealer if you're not really satisfied with the way the CC cream looks on your face. Now for concealer today, I'm going to go ahead and use my L'Oreal concealer. And I'm going to use the shade that is a little closer to my skin tone. Another reason I'm using the L'Oreal concealer is simply because it is a light formula, and I apply some of that concealer. And I'm going to apply that concealer in the color Honey. This is in the color Honey. So I'm just patting that concealer in to kind of cover up those blemishes. Same over here. And next off, I'm going to go ahead and use my Too Faced Born This Way Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer, and I'm going to apply that underneath my eye. And I have this in the color Mocha. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and start contouring my face, and to contour my face I'm going to go ahead and use the Fenty Matchstick in the color Espresso. And I'm just adding on some Airspun translucent powder. And I'm going to go in with my CoverGirl Professional Loose Finishing Powder in the color 120 Translucent Honey. I use this all the time on my channel. And I'm gonna go in the color Caramel Cutie. This is from Fenty Beauty. I'm gonna go in my favorite bronzer in the whole wide world, Mahogany, and I'm going to kind of just add some finishing touches where needed. Okay, Sophia, so this is my take on this CC cream by Mary Kay. I think that this is really a good product. It is very light if you are that type of person who do not like wearing makeup or foundation that really makes your skin pores feel like it can't breathe. I think that you will really love this Mary Kay CC cream. Again, it is a CC cream. It is not a foundation, so it's not meant to give you any full coverage. It will give you some coverage, but I think that the coverage it gives you is gonna be between light and medium coverage. And as you guys saw in the video, even after I was done applying the CC cream on my face, I was still left to put some concealer on. Now, you don't have to put concealer on, but you're definitely more than welcome to suit yourself. But I went on and I did put on concealer because I'm going to do another video with this eyeshadow tutorial and I want it to look good. So this is why I went ahead and I did put on some concealer to kind of clean up my blemishes. But I'm really happy with the outcome. I really love the coverage. By the time I was done applying my concealer underneath my eye and concealer to kind of cover up my blemishes and my setting powder, I must say that I was very satisfied with the coverage that this CC cream gave me by Mary Kay. If you are interested in purchasing this Mary Kay CC cream, I will leave the information down in the description box. I will leave the person's number and I will ask her for her link of her store so that you guys could get that information to purchase your own. Okay, Sophia, so thank you so much for tuning in this time around. Thank you so much for all that you do. I really appreciate you and every single comment that you are dropping in the comment section of my videos. I am very happy to be back on YouTube. I'm going to try my best to continue coming on here on a regular basis. It's just that since I started, I didn't start a new job. I just started a new job in a new institution and it took a long time to get stuff settled in. I was kind of left to clean a whole room by myself. So with not much support, it took me a little longer to keep on track and get on track with every single thing that I had going on and try to remain with a focused mind to keep focused on school. But at the end of it all, I'm happy that I was able to get stuff out of the way, get stuff done, and kind of get into my own groove over here in terms of being on a schedule and managing my time a little better than I did before. So thank you again for tuning in. Thank you for not giving up on me. For those of you who are still here and who are still subscribed to me, thank you so much. I think I lost about 5 subscribers, but that is okay. I really appreciate those of you who decided to continue supporting me and keeping track on the videos I'm posting on my channel. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and that bell that is right next to that subscribe button to be part of the Sophia's squad. And you gotta be part of the Sophia squad because you are a sophisticated lady. Don't forget to be fabulous. Don't forget to be amazing. Don't forget to be you. And don't forget to be Sophie. Bye, honeys.